Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by installing and launching Google Earth on your iPhone. This gets the app ready to load imagery and your saved places. Once opened, grant location and camera permissions so Earth can center on you and use Street View where available. Make sure you sign in with your Google account if you want history and place marks synced. Otherwise, continue as a guest for fast browsing. Now tap the search bar to locate a city, address, or coordinates and prepare to fly there instantly. Next, learn to navigate. Pinch to zoom, 2 fingers to rotate, and drag with 2 fingers to tilt for that immersive 3D angle. These gestures help you inspect terrain and buildings. Once done, explore the bottom menu. Voyager offers guided tours, Project stores your place marks, and I'm feeling lucky jumps to interesting places. Use them to curate content. Make sure 3D buildings and terrain are enabled in settings for realistic views. And toggle labels when you need street and place. To finish, use the ruler tool to measure straight line distance or area. Switch units like meters or miles depending on your need, which helps planning and verification. Save important views by creating a project. Add place marks, notes, and export KML if you want to share or backup. If the app stalls or imagery fails to load, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Force quit and relaunch Google Earth. And as a last resort, reinstall to clear corrupted cache and restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.